Hello, good morning. It's Monday after a holiday from Friday in America. Let's go through what's going on this morning. Looks like the US-Iran talks have cooled down, to say the least, in the Middle East. And crude and rotations coming out of crude and going into tech and some gold plays. Capital's flowing towards the Japanese exporters, which is pushing up the yen. And looks like dollar keeps flexing on the yen, completely ignoring the BOJ's empty verbal warnings. Let's check on gold real quick. On the 4-hour, so the daily, gold's trying to get around the 200 days, so it's underneath that currently. Down just a little bit pre-market. This is an interesting setup. We continue to watch that. Let's go through our positions this morning. Our geo filled last week. High volume hammer getting put. So yesterday's insane high volume on CVS, we had lower volume pushing out of the 12th high and sellers coming in and pushing it back down in an up thrust. We'll see. Pre-market is exactly at the close on the 12th. CVS. All right, we had this position from Fable 5. If oil is continuing to tank, this should go up. So I'm going to push the stop up a touch to that. So underneath my entry. Okay. Let me make a note of that because I have to update the brokers. Haven't checked on that in a while. Okay. Okay. MA Confluence Leadership. It's interesting. Looks like the scanner's doing its job. It's finding some good setups. US Bank is kind of interesting. I would assume that retests and shoots up. Or what am I doing there? US Bank. Okay. This is an interesting consolidator. Where's the previous? Okay, all-time highs. That's crazy. We're definitely buying blue sky on this guy. But yeah, that's a good one. I'm going to look at that. FTNT, really good. We're going to go through the box scanner stuff. We're going to skip that. This is closed. Okay, I want to look at open here. So let's see, NTB. Just further consolidating, slowly reaching out. That was a nice candle, but it was a low volume, so that's a little troublesome. I'm going to move the stop up just a little bit. I'm going to move it just with a little bit of wiggle room underneath the low, because I'm a little worried about that. Yesterday's non-harmonic price to volume is a little troublesome, so I'm going to move the stop to there. Okay. Let's see here. Interesting. Okay. Okay, got it. All right, Starbucks. We got filled on that a couple days ago, yesterday. Got this indecisive candle right at the pull out there. So sign of weakness. Stop loss remains. That's a quad thing. Okay. Geo is a high and tight. And pulling back on lower volume. I like that. That looks perfect. Here's the great thing about Geo. Let's check out Geo. We had to pull out of the recent high there of June 11th. Price went out past it. It went up to a recent high of June 23rd. Now price is going back down, but if you look at the volume, price is going lower, 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 which is forming a good, healthy pullback. We're going to keep our stop wide just to watch this play out, but from a VSA perspective, this is a good sign. Looks like CVS is finding some strength there.